Hi, I'm Erin Augustin with the Red Wing Park Naturalist program, and today we're covering a particularly noxious weed called wild parsnip. Wild parsnip is a flowering plant that grows on a long stem. It produces many small yellow flowers that are arranged in a large, flat flower head. It thrives in disturbed soils, so you'll frequently see it growing next to roads, trails, and sites of new development. Like poison ivy or poison oak, you can actually have a negative reaction if the sap from this plant gets on your skin. Wild parsnip is aggressively invasive and will outcompete native plants, reducing plant diversity. Its sap also causes photodermatitis, which will cause terrible rashes and blisters if sap comes into contact with skin while exposed to sunlight. Be sure to use caution when near this plant to avoid getting its sap on your skin. If sap from the plant does get on your skin, keep the affected area out of the sun as much as possible until the sap can be washed away with soap and water. Because this plant can cause such a severe reaction when you come in contact with it, be sure to use extra caution if removing it from your property. Mow or manually remove any new shoots before the plant flowers. Seeds can lay dormant in the ground for many years, so a diligent removal plan is needed to ensure this plant is fully eradicated. Check back often. For more information on disposing of noxious weeds, visit the Minnesota Department of Agriculture website. Wild parsnip and invasive plants like it pose a threat to humans, pets, and our native species. If you find this plant in the wild, make sure you avoid it. But if you find this plant on your own property, do your best to safely remove it.